We spend a large part of our free time at home, so we wanted to make sure that we would be comfortable in it. We made a decision to revamp the entire unit as the interior then didn't suit our preferences and it felt really dark in the house. We knew exactly what theme we wanted, something that would look simple, cozy and uncluttered. We wanted to open the space up. So we did research on IDs and their projects, and then we came across the Minimalist Society. Their work was in line with what we were looking for. Once we met them, we felt that they could deliver on our vision of our home, and so we went with the Minimalist Society. We shared some ideas of what we wanted with the designers, more storage and to allow as much natural light into the house given its long configuration. The initial setup was really dark, especially in the kitchen because it was a small space and almost fully walled up. So we wanted an open kitchen concept with an island as the centerpiece. The countertop is large, so we can prepare our food with ease, and it's also where our family gathers together to cook or have breakfast. The open shelves on one end of our island lend an interesting touch to an otherwise common-looking island, and allows for more space for us to play around with our display items. Apart from the island, the pantry cupboard is also a dream come true for us. It is such a convenient one-stop spot which houses all our snacks, tea and coffee machine. The living area is where we enjoy movie nights together. We chose wood-like strip tiles, and together with the wood elements introduced to our TV console and storage furniture, they help to add dimension to the overall look and feel of our home. Another area that we wanted to revamp was the study room. We wanted to make it a bright and conducive space for us to lounge in. We really like how it has turned into a zen-like cozy space. It has become the perfect spot for us to enjoy doing things like reading, listening to music, working on a computer, or just relaxing, whether alone or together. The Minimalist Society has lived up to our expectations in helping to create our dream home. They have the necessary skills and craftsmanship to help to bring this project to fruition. We enjoyed the process from start to end, and it was really very exciting to see how everything came together.